Every app you use runs on one simple idea, and almost nobody explains it right.
It's not about coding first. It's about thinking like a programmer. You give input, it processes it, and gives you output. You type a message, hit send. That's output. Every app, every game, same exact rule. So how does C actually show output?
One function handles it all. Printf.
This is printf, the core output function in C. It literally means print formatted text. This is your first real C program. And it prints exactly this. Hello world. Whatever you put inside quotes shows up exactly on screen. Quick test. Can you predict the output?
Don't skip. Look carefully. It prints exactly the same. No changes. At all. Now it's your turn. Try it yourself. Here's an example. Programming isn't about memorizing. It's about doing. If you remember one neat thing, this is it. Input, process, output. If this made sense, you're already ahead of most beginners. Subscribe and let's build something real next.